Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Seatox. We, at Canal DAEC Reviews, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Seatox. The first thing you need to know about Seatox is be careful with the website you buy Seatox from, because Seatox is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the video description. So what is Seatox, and does it really work? The answer is yes, Seatox works. After many laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring excellent results. Seatox is a symphony of nature's best. Over 40 minerals, 11 vital vitamins, all 9 essential amino acids, 20 other amino acids, 6 distinct enzymes, 3 bioelements, combined with antioxidants and phytonutrients. 93 nutrients, all nestled in our exclusive blend of 7 seaweed vegetables harvested from nature. Why refine perfection? Because the world has changed. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with Seatox, including numerous testimonials from customers on the official website. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This may seem obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Seatox for 60 days. And if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So feel safe to use Seatox, but make sure you're buying it from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Additionally, for Seatox to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you may get a little frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. Also important to note, Seatox has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to warn you to be careful with the website you're buying Seatox from, and also, if you buy the product, to follow the treatment precisely. Take it seriously. Remember that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you. And I also hope that Seatox really helps improve your life, along with the many other benefits this product offers. Remember that the official website of the product is in the link in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.